Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Bring a Trailer Builds. So in the last video, we got the car running, which was really not a surprise. It didn't really change that much. We installed the turbo kit, that was fine. But we got all the oil lines ran, all the water lines ran. It didn't have any leaks, or at least not many leaks. We took care of all of those, so now it's running, and now it needs intercooler piping. So we can drive it around, do all that kind of good stuff, but we don't have aluminum intercooler piping. So we had to make do with something else. So as you guys will see, we're kind of using our ingenuity here. It's nothing new, people have done it before. But we are waiting on our intercooler stuff to arrive. So once it arrives, we'll put that stuff on. But anyway, let's roll the footage. All right guys, it's the next day here. And this morning we loaded up on the trailer and went and got the exhaust done. So you really can't see from here, but we had the exhaust bolted up, so no issues there. Today we are going to finish our intercooler couplers and intercooler piping on the turbo side. So we have the cold side done here, but still need to do some of the hot side. So we're gonna mock it up with PVC pipe first, and then we're gonna see about getting some nice aluminum pipes. But anyway, for now we're gonna run PVC pipe. It'll work for the time being. We don't have a 2-inch intercooler coupler kit, so make this work for now, and we'll go back with aluminum later. But this will at least give us a good template of what we need. So let's get to work. Alright, so here is our masterpiece. This PVC is going to hold the most amount of boost pressures ever. We're going to be able to run like 30, 40 PSI out of this thing. It's going to be pretty sweet. No, actually, it's totally temporary, but it did give us a good idea of what we need, what we need to go, and it'll work for a very short time. But anyway, it's time to start it up and see if we can build some boost. Alright guys, so we got it running and we got intercooler pipes on, so now we need to take it for a drive. Off camera, we installed a Mega Squirt and 700cc injectors before we started tuning it, or before we started installing the turbo kit rather. This was to kind of create that situation where you don't have so many new problems when you're installing a turbo kit or something like that. We knew we could get it running naturally aspirated, have a really good running car, and then go into this turbo kit build knowing that the car ran really well beforehand. So now all we need to do is tune it, add a little bit more fuel up top, especially where the boost is coming in. We're kind of taking our best guess at this point on how much fuel to add. We do have a wideband, so that'll help us out there. But we're going to street tune it really quick, and then on the next episode, we're going to be taking it to the dyno. So anyway, let's get to tuning it really fast and get it on the road. Alright guys, so as you saw, we just got the car running on the street, It boosts just fine on the PVC pipe, but that's totally a temporary solution. The good news is we just received our universal intercooler piping kit. We had a lot of stuff laying around, but we didn't have something quite the small diameter that we needed for this turbo kit. I'll drop the link in the description below so you guys can keep along and follow along with what we're building here. But essentially, all we got to do now is finish up this intercooler kit and then get it on the dyno, and it'll be done. So anyway, let's go back to it. All right, so as promised, we got rid of the really funny PVC. That totally worked. We were able to get it boosting, as you guys saw. But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good. We want to weld up this piece right here to get rid of this coupler. And then we're also gonna weld like a tab between here, so that way it doesn't kind of rattle around when we're racing it. But that's to be coming soon. And otherwise, no, it looks really good. We're able to get it all done, and it's so dirty under there. Anyway, now to have more fun. Alright guys, and that's going to be a wrap on this video. So we got it running, we got the new aluminum intercooler piping on there, it looks really good. We got it boosting as you guys saw, so that's super exciting. But this one's a little bit shorter because in the next video we're going to take it to the dyno. And I want you guys to comment below and let me know how much power you think this is going to make. Is it going to blow up on the first pull? Is it going to make even 200 wheel horsepower? I'm kind of doubting it. But anyway, please comment below, let me know what you think. Like, share, subscribe, all that kind of fun stuff. This is going to be a really fun build. Hopefully we'll get to drive this car and rallycross really soon. So anyway, we'll see you guys in the next one.